Compared to Mother Earth and nature, humans are dramatically insignificant. Yet, over the years, we have caused significant impact to our Earth. With man's will to create, we destroy. All things must come to an end, but are we willing to accept that our doings led us here? Without knowledge of other life in the universe, can we accept the possibility of killing the anomaly that is life?
It all starts with the polar ice caps. The heating of Earth's atmosphere caused the sea levels to rise. This suspension is due to two factors, that being thermal expansion and increased melting. Thermal expansion is the tendency of matter to change its shape, area, and volume in response to a change in temperature. The result, increased melting of the polar ice caps. Since the 1900s, sea levels have risen 5 to 8 inches higher than average, and by 2050, scientists estimate that sea levels could rise to about 19 inches.
Enough to cause global flooding. Permafrost. Soil that has been frozen, trapping old carbon within its frozen barriers. As global temperatures rise, what was supposed to be permanently frozen begins to melt. All those years of trapped carbon dioxide will soon come to an end, releasing CO2 outwards into the atmosphere, contribution to the greenhouse effect. But it's not only carbon that is stored in permafrost, but long, dormant diseases. In 2016, a young boy in Siberia fell victim to an uncommon disease, anthrax. Old bacteria that has been trapped in the permafrost of Siberia is thought to have been released, reawoken. A similar incident occurred recently, though it may be considered many times frightening. 2 people in Mongolia hunted marmots, eating their raw meat and kidneys in belief that it may bring good health. The rodent harbored something else, the Black Death. The same disease that killed millions across Europe. In the 80s, the Arctic temperatures of permafrost averaged about 19 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the average is around 28 degrees.
How do we fix it? According to NASA, we can reduce carbon emissions by carpooling, turning off your lights when being unused, and use renewable energy.
We must act fast. Scientists predict that the damage that will be done by 2030 may be irreversible. The matter is urgent, for the state of our Earth depends on our overall existence.